Thanks for joining me. It's Ray's Repair Zone. I have a 2005 Volkswagen Jetta, and last night it was raining pretty good. I've got a sunroof in here, and I don't know if you can see the discoloration up here. It was dripping water all down, and this is soaking wet. So I put it in the shop last night so it wouldn't drip anymore inside, because it was even wet up on here. And we're gonna check it out right away. I'm pretty sure, well, we're gonna go up onto the top of the vehicle and look at the drain holes. As you can see underneath here, it's still wet, quite wet actually. And now that I've got something to stand on, you look in the corner. Where is that little drain? There should be a drain here somewhere. Okay, they've got a different kind of deal here. It's supposed to get right in the corner here. It's supposed to get leaves and crap in there on each corner, and I think on the back too there's supposed to be something, but and it gets plugged. And what it does is, if you, well, you can see the water. This side's even worse. Sorry about that. You see here, it's even full of water. So obviously it's not draining. Now, another thing is there's these little things right here. They're the drain holes, or the drain plugs, or right here. So you see that right there? And there's supposed to be some sort of a update where they cut them, because they stick together. Kind of see if it's gonna be opened up. Oh, it looks like something's coming there, but I can't get a screwdriver in there. This is my little handy screwdriver I use for everything. And there you go, we're starting to get something. There we go, look at that. But I tell you, I was kind of worried. I thought, it was getting in, into here on the top here, down here, and that's where all your fuses are. So you got your fuses in there, so you don't want that to get all wet. Okay, well, we got a little bit going on here. We're gonna try the other side, because it seems like there's lots gathered on the other side. And I'm gonna put something, there we go, look at that. Wow. Kind of cool that I don't want to cut that off, because I don't know, I think there'd be potential for bugs to get in there and start making a nest, Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. All right, I'm on the passenger side now, and you locate this goofy thing again. And I'm hoping that, well, this guy here is not. Well, that ain't coming out there. I don't know what, we're gonna have to go from the top, I guess. Has to stick a trimmer line in there or something to try and work it out. I've got some trimmer line, some heavy trimmer line. I could try that, or I even have a snowmobile speedometer cable, but I'd rather not use that, because it might rip the drain line or hose or whatever it is. Okay, I'm gonna try and look from the top on this side. Okay, well, I'm up on top here now, but I can't really see any physical hole or anything. I'm just kind of wiggling around here with the screwdriver to see. I think there's something in this far corner, but you still see the water in there. I don't know what the best way is to see. I might have to get a real bright light here, because I'm sitting outside right now in the shop, but I don't see any drain holes right readily. unless it's this big sucker on the side. I could see there's something here maybe. Is there something here? Where in the hell am I shining? I don't even know. There. Because I could see something here. I don't know, this is the passenger or the driver's side now. If you can see that hole, there's a hole right there. Straight in. It's a fairly big hole. So I'm thinking it could have got something plugged in there. I don't know. Sorry about the shakiness and really getting seasick, but there's a hole in the side. Also claimed to put a little air in there, but I'm kind of leery of putting air because what's going to happen when you put too much air pressure and it blows a line off somewhere? Then I think you're kind of hooped. Well, I guess I unplugged that one pretty good, because what I'm doing is I'll take some water and I'll pour it in this track, in this channel here. When I pour it in here, it really comes out good. But the other side is filling right up. We have an issue there. Okay, now that track is filled right up, and this guy is doing what? Oh, there's a lot of crap coming to there. Maybe that's my problem. Look at that. Gooey crap. You see that stuff in there? I bet you through the years, I've never, look at that crap in there. Mud. I bet you that's the reason. Look at the stuff coming out of there. Well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna start coming out like crazy. So look at that stuff. It's just like, there, it should be coming soon, I think, because the stuff is there. Look at that. There we go. I think we got her built. I'm gonna leave those on. I'm not going to cut them like they're suggesting. Okay, I'm gonna pour more water in the top now. See what happens. Okay, that's all drained out. Okay, so if I can see if I can pour, I'm gonna pour water in here in the top, and I'm gonna watch it. Hopefully I can do this at the same time. There she comes, yeah. Wow, she's really going now. And maybe I'll be able to find the hole too, up here. Yeah, I think we got her. It's coming out as good as I'd like. There. Must be out of water now. So that's your problem. I'm sure hoping that's gonna solve my issue. It was leaking on the other side on this A-pillar. So if you find this helpful, leave a like. Thanks for checking me out here, and I'll hopefully see you again. Bye for now. Alright, I don't know if you can see that hole right there. It's kind of hard to see from outside, but that's what you're looking for. Right in the corner, back a little ways, there's a, I don't know what size that would be, 3/8 hole. Okay, now where did my light go? And where did my aiming go? There. I'm thinking you can see that right in that corner. There's one on each side, and if your water don't come out, that's probably plugged or down in the bottom end full of gunk. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again.